What's up, everyone? It is the BTC Man, and hopefully you had a great day today. Just basically doing a recap of today. Not too much going on. Of course, in yesterday's video, I spoke of the golden cross and also talked about, a dip probably happening, and we got a dip, right? So a lot of people were tripping. I wasn't tripping because I was out. In my video, I was basically saying I was looking for an entry, right? So I did do a trade. I forgot when I did a trade, but I did a trade. I got in, maybe was it this morning? And yeah, it was this morning. And then I got out, made a little bit of some money from a scalp super quick. But anyways, I'm sure a lot of people are tripping. They should be because I think we did hit a top for, just for the interim time right now. So, but we're pretty much looking like going sideways for right now, and even thinking that of course, with the uptrend, we'll go over some charts, and it looks like we're gonna try to hit to what's it called, 11K if we're heading up. But anyways, let's take a look at coin market cap. And yeah, it was like a pretty big dip. Like I think it was like a 5% dip. But now it's had a little bit of bounce since it's been some time between then. But yeah, there's a little bit of recovery, as you can see. You can see everyone's kind of just moving up a little bit. So there was definitely a little bit of a money opportunity. Tezos looks like it did quite well, just bouncing right back. But everyone else looks like they're pretty much the same. This is a shitty coin looks like it's done a bounce. Yeah, so I'm thinking that there's gonna be still some gains happening, but some quick trades in and out right here. We basically got the, what's this? This is to the 14,000 right here. So I did a fib retracement, and we're at that right here at 0.5, between 0.5 0.382. So we could, in a good manner, we would be trying to hit up to in a bullish manner, we'd be trying to hit up towards the 61, which is at 11,000. We kind of broke out of this channel. We could be seeing some sideways action right here and bounce up, or we could be seeing some sideways action here and break down. But this is the 200 moving average on a 4-hour that we got stomped out right on it right here. So that saved the day from going any lower. If we do break down, then I'm thinking that we could be heading all the way back down to 9,000, and then after that breaking into the 8,500. There's a little bit of a small CME gap right here, so that's definitely possible. If we're heading down, I mean, it's a super small CME gap, so if this is a relevant CME gap, then yeah, we would be heading towards 8,500. So watch out, everyone. But great time for trading, if you're gonna be doing some scalp trading in and out, great time to do that. Let's move to this article right here, which is from AMB Crypto, and this is regards Bitcoin makes a comeback to its volatility. So just like I was saying, great time for trading. You could read a little bit about this. And Bitcoin's price has been on the rise in anticipation of the halving that is to take place a few months later. The recent Golden Cross formation also indicated that the coin was likely to have a strong bull run. However, in less than 24 hours after the Golden Cross formation, the bullish sentiment drastically reversed, leading to a massive drop in Bitcoin price. A lot of people felt that, I'm sure. I was out. Yes, I was out. The 1-hour Bitcoin chart highlighted that on February 19th, the price of Bitcoin fell by over 5.3%, taking the price from 10,100 to 9,600. in an hour's time. At press time, BTC's price has stabilized and is now at 9,561. We're at 9,700 right now, so we're climbing up right now. Bitcoin has always been rather unpredictable and true to its name. This week was no different. While the previous few weeks, in retrospect, it seemed like the price was consolidating, the last 24 hours once again signal Bitcoin's volatile nature. According to the 30-day volatility chart, volatility of Bitcoin has been on a steady rise in the last few days. That's pretty much what is going down. Volatility, you just don't just climb up and up and up and up. It doesn't work that way. So let's move over to this next article. I got one more after this. This one is a trader who nailed Bitcoin's 3,000 bottom, fears more downside is near. Okay, so we're in agreement, a little more bearish action happening maybe. Bitcoin did not fare well in 2018. Over the course of that year, the cryptocurrency plunged by dozens of percent from prices well above 10K to a low as 13,150. By December, falling as a crypto winter form. The thing is, few expected for BTC to retrace that hard, with many in the middle of 2018 asserting that 6,000 was going to be the ultimate bottom for the then embattled asset. But in June 2018, a trader going by Smart Contractor said he is calling a bottom at exactly 3,200 with a 200 leeway on either side. As aforementioned, Bitcoin bottom almost exactly where he expected. Considering that crazy track record, it should come as no surprise that when he speaks, people listen. On Wednesday morning, Smart Contractor noted that Litecoin was forming a bearish pattern, with the asset forming a bearish 4-hour pin bar at 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, before adding that the cryptocurrency was clearly on track to see a strong bearish reversal. Litecoin is a leading indicator of what may happen with Bitcoin and the rest of the cryptocurrencies, right? Hours later, he was proven right when the market started moving lower until the proverbial dam broke near the end of the day, sending Litecoin, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies off of a proverbial cliff. Prices for the assets dropped as much as 10% in a few minutes time. There was a bunch of cryptocurrencies that was like fell over 20%, but a lot of cryptocurrencies that have been on a bull run, they've been like falling, like doing major pullbacks from their top. A lot of the cryptocurrencies, they had a big bull run. It's pretty much sure they're gonna like go back to its median. In short, once again, Smart Contractor accurately called a move in the ever volatile and hard to track Bitcoin market. And there it is, defo, a much more aggressive dump than I was expecting, but very glad I took profits on everything this morning. So yeah, he took profits. And I was like thinking, am I stupid to take profits early? But I guess not, right? The thing is, per his chart, Litecoin still has further to fall. His analysis suggests that the end of the month LTC would be trading at 61, still around 70% below the current price of 71. With Litecoin forming a trend of leading Bitcoin over the past year, this means that if the altcoin will fall, as the accurate analysts expect, so too will Bitcoin. This lines up with a previous Elliott wave analysis he made, in which he noted that Bitcoin is likely to retrace to the mid 8,000. So if it's 8,000, mid 8,000 is 8,500, so that's a CME gap, right? So boom, look out for that. Great shorting. That's not financial advice, but as well as great entry, and I will be entering in that area for sure. The analysis, which News BTC covered previously, suggests that Bitcoin has a high likelihood of breaking 14,000, 48% above the current price point of 9,400 by the middle of 2020, likely around or just after the time of the block reward reduction in May 2020. So that would be the halving. There was also like there is Carl the Moon, but it was Crypto. He's the one that was basically saying that in his video this morning that how Binance had maintenance and Coinbase had maintenance exactly the same time. So a lot of people, got stuck in their trades. a ton of people got stuck in the trades. And I mean, longs got slaughtered. So that's probably for sure. I think a lot of people were longing and they got slaughtered. Okay, this is the last of today's news article that we're going to review real quick. And this one is Bitcoin's price must hold 9,500 as support or else. So this is a line in the sand, drawing a line in the sand scenario that gotta be staying around this 9,500, or gonna be dropping to 9,250, over 10%. And then of course we go that route, we're most likely going to, right here, this level is the Fibonacci 5.5 retracement level, drop from 14,000 to 6,400. Oh, this guy's like, whoo, seriously low. 200 exponential moving average, that's what saved us. So that's pretty much what's going on. This is a really quick article right here, but not really much to say besides everything that we went on today. So definitely look out for everything, everyone. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and to give a like. Give me a like and subscribe, everyone. I appreciate it so much. And you guys have a great night, and I will see you guys tomorrow.